Welcome. This is a 10-minute morning yoga full body stretch. Let's begin standing, taking the feet nice and wide, and just begin to start swaying the arms side to side. Be silly here, just you and your mat. Great. We'll gently begin to slow our sway. Coming back to center, begin to shake the arms, the hands, the feet, maybe even gently jumping, whatever the body needs today. Shaking out any worries, any anxiety, any stress, creating space for new. Perfect. We'll come back to center and we'll gently begin to tap the chest, maybe even the shoulders, a little bit into the neck, just gently tapping. Great. Standing nice and tall. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale. Left hand grabs the right wrist, coming into banana pose towards the left side. And then we'll come back to center and then take it over towards the right. Inhale back to center. Exhale, release the hands. And we'll step to the top of the mat. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, take a fold, option to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back into plank. Inhale. As you exhale, plant the knees, lower halfway, bend the elbows. Untuck the toes, inhale, gentle back bend. Exhale, send it back for child's pose. Option to place pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Drawing the breath into the chest. As you exhale, softening the shoulders and the upper back. Drawing the breath into the belly, expanding the lower back with each inhale. So just feeling the waistband of your pants getting tighter here with each breath. Exhale, softening the hips, the legs, the feet. Inhale, release, coming into a tabletop and just begin to find some organic movement here. Circling the waist, maybe rocking forward and back, side to side, wherever the body takes you today. Also option to do a few cat-cows if that feels okay. Coming to a neutral spine, straighten the left leg, tuck the left toes, extending through the hamstring. Go ahead and spin the right foot towards the right side so that your entire body is opened up towards the left. Inhale, left hand reaches up and over. Feel free to even reach that hand towards the top of the mat to really get that side body stretch. On your next exhale, plant the left hand. Take a moment, shake it out. When you're ready, we'll switch sides. Take your time here, straightening the right leg, tucking the right toes, stretching the back of that leg. Go ahead and take the left foot towards the left side, opening up towards the right. Right hand reaches up and over. Full side body stretch here. On your next exhale, plant that right hand and shake it out. Take a moment. Sending the hips back, child's pose. Take a moment here. Whenever you're ready, we'll round all the way up. Take your time. Feel free to come to any comfortable seated position. Wherever you are, inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, taking a twist towards the left. Sitting up nice and tall. And as you exhale, if the body allows it today, if it's available in your practice, take a bind with that left hand. Gently release. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, twisting towards the right. Once again, option to bind with the right hand this time. Sit up tall, creating space with your inhales. And we'll gently release. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, cactus the arms, elbows in line with the shoulders, and just begin to twist side to side very gently, very softly to your own ability. No forcing here. Coming back to center, inhale the hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.